Kelas, hari ini cikgu akan bincang bentuk geometri 3 dimensi. Okay, bab 6, form 2, chapter 6. Okay, is a geometry structure with 3 dimension. Okay, soalan pertama adalah silinder. Okay, if you see this cylinder here class, ni adalah 35 cm. This 35 cm diameter atau jejari. You have to be clear with that. 35 cm ini adalah diameter because they gave you a full line. Kalau setengah, that means half of it, kamu perlu tahu 17.5 cm. So you have to know all this. Diameter is the full line. If you want it half, you supposed to know how much will be that half. If you see here class, the formula luas permukaan silinder adalah 2 pi j kuasa 2 plus 2 pi j t. In English, 2 pi r squared plus 2 pi r h, the height. Jejari is radius, tinggi is height h. For this one, cylinder, bila soalan minta luas permukaan, you must see all the surface area. Sebab silinder atas ada satu bulatan, bawah ada satu bulatan. You have two circle, that's why you see here 2 pi j squared, 2 pi j kuasa 2, atas satu bulatan, bawah satu bulatan. And this 2 pi j t adalah permukaan melengkung. That is 2 pi r h. So they already give you the answer 2475. Ini bukan soalan secara terus. It's not a direct type of question, but they already give you answer. Apa perlu kamu cari? You have to find the x. X adalah tinggi. So kamu perlu cari tinggi. This is not a direct type of question, but still it's very easy if you use this formula. So sekarang cikgu ganti dalam formula 2 darab pi, you can use 22/7 terpulang kepada nilai yang diberi. If they give you 22/7, you use 22/7. If they give you the pi 3.142, you use 3.142. Cikgu guna 22/7 darab jejari. Kan tadi cikgu sudah bagi tahu. Radius is half. The diameter is 35, but jejari is 17.5 square. So cikgu letak kurungan because this one is 2 pi j square. Finish. Plus 2 pi j t. 2 times pi 22/7 times jejari 17.5 times with the t. So t tinggi. Clear? So 2 times pi j squared plus 2 pi j t. So darab t. We don't know the t. Now you use your calculator. Tekan calculator, cari nilai yang ini. Find out that answer. Class teacher already write the value here. Bila kamu tekan calculator, 2 times 22/7 times 17.5 squared, you get 1925. Plus, when this one you press calculator, 2 darab 22/7 darab 17.5, 2 pi j. The t we don't know, so we get 110 t equal 2475. If you want to get the t, like how you do a persamaan linear to find the unknown, exactly the same working. 110 t, teacher leave here, 2475 plus 1925 go there, minus 1925. So when you minus, what do you get? Kamu dapat jawapan 550. So 110 t equal 550. Final answer, you want to get the t, the tinggi, the h. What must you do? You're supposed to learn this in form 1. Yang ini adalah darab. 110 t is actually times. If go there, you must do divide. So 550 divide by 110. You can put over 110, not enough place, so teacher put divide. So you can put 550 per 110. Betul. Now when you press this in calculator, you get the final answer berapa? Berapa kamu dapat kelas? You get 5. So jawapan T adalah 5. T is tinggi, right? The height. So the unit is cm. So you must put 5 cm. So this will be your final answer. Kalau kelas kamu lihat dengan jelas, teacher use the formula. Silinder, luas permukaan formula ialah 2 pi j kuasa 2 plus 2 pi j t. Kamu gantilah. So t kamu tak tahu, so you just put t. So this is the important one. You don't know, you just leave it t. Sebab tinggi tidak diberi, you have to find. Lepas tu kamu ganti. They gave you already the luas permukaan is 2475. Sudah diberi. So you write the equation. Then you solve it. Finally, kamu dapat jawapan T is equal to 5 cm. The height is 5 cm. Finish. Now we go for the next question, class. Apa bentuk geometri ini? Ini silinder. Apa bentuk geometri ini? Piramid. If you see very clearly, the pyramid down there adalah bertapak segi 4 sama. How teacher know the tapak segi 4 sama? Because you see here, panjang 30 cm, lebar pun 30 cm, 30. So it's a square. So ini adalah tapak. This is the base. So this is a square base pyramid. Piramid bertapak segi 4. Okay, soalan. Luas permukaan, surface area. When teacher says surface area, all the sides, we tell it the surface area. So if you see square is a surface, and you have triangle. How many triangles do you have for triangle? Ada 4 segitiga. That's why you see what teacher put here. 4 triangle and 1 square. Because this topic is surface area. Luas permukaan. Jawapan sudah diberi 1920. So this is luas permukaan. You must do surface area for each surface. Setiap permukaan kamu mesti buat. So there's no any specific formula for this. Tak ada formula. That's why teacher draw 4 triangle and 1 square. Okay, apa formula untuk segitiga? What is the area formula for triangle? 1/2 times base times height. Or ini in Malay, 1/2 kali tapak kali tinggi. That is the area for triangle. So teacher do here 1/2 kali tapak. Tapak berapa? This is a triangle, right? So what is the tapak for the triangle? 30, the base. Times by height. Berapa tinggi untuk segitiga? They didn't give you that, they give you X. So cikgu pun tulis X. Nampak? 1/2 times base times height. So 1/2 tapak 30, tinggi X. So when you solve this class, even you can do cutting, kamu akan dapat 15. So 15 kali X, 15X. So you have 4 triangle, right? So yang ni 15X, 15X, 15. So each triangle is 15X. So cikgu tulis dengan jelas di sini 4 segitiga kan? So 4, teacher put bracket there 15x. So 4 kurungan 15x, because one triangle is 15x. You have 4 triangle, so 4 times 15x. If you want to put 15x plus 15x plus 15x pun boleh. Faham? And the last one, class, kalau kamu nampak dengan jelas, ada satu segi 4. What is the area for the square? Apa formula untuk segi 4? Panjang kali lebar. Yes, Anna, if they give you a square, it's supposed to be panjang kali lebar. Length times breadth. So, 30 kali 30. Berapa kamu dapat? 900. You get 900. Now, when teacher want to solve this, 4 kali 15x kamu dapat berapa? You get 60x plus 900 equal 1920. So 60x tambah 900 equal 1920 sudah pun diberi. They already give you that. So 60x, teacher leave it here. 1920 plus 900 go there, minus 900. So 60x equal 1920 minus 900, you get 1020. So kalau nak cari x, apa cikgu bagi tahu tadi, 60x is 60 kali x. So go there must be divide. So 1020 divide by 60. You can put over 60. So bahagi 60 kamu dapat 17. So the x value equal 17. And yang ini tinggi kan cm. So you put cm. So the final answer, x is equal to 17 cm. Finish. So jelas kelas, ini luas permukaan silinder, ini luas permukaan piramid. Class, now teacher go to the next question. Okay, bentuk geometri yang seterusnya adalah prisma. You can see it's a prisma, looks like a kaleidoscope, right? So ini adalah prisma. Nanti cikgu akan bincang cone. So now we go for prisma. Luas permukaan tadi cikgu sudah pun bagi tahu surface area. You must check every side. Itu kita panggil luas permukaan. So if you see this prisma, you have two triangle. Nampak tak? Kamu ada dua segitiga. One is at the front, another one is at the back. So kamu ada dua segitiga. Dua segitiga pun sama. The measurement is the same. Lepas tu kamu ada tiga segi empat. If you see segi empat, atas ada satu segi empat tepat. One rectangle, right? The top. And then you can see the sengit at the front. Depan ni ada lagi satu segi empat. Dan belakang ada lagi satu segi empat. So you have three rectangle. And remember very clearly class, tak semestinya tiga segi empat ni sama size. This is where students will make a mistake. Two triangle is same, okay. Tapi tiga segi empat tepat ini tak sama. Sometimes it is same, sometimes is different. You have to take note. Okay, sekarang cikgu tunjuk segitiga. Apa luas untuk segitiga? The formula 1/2 times base times height. 1/2 kali tapak kali tinggi. So teacher do it here. 1/2 kali tapak. Look at the triangle. How much is the tapak for the triangle? Berapa tapak untuk segitiga? This is tapak, right? So berapa tapak? Ada tak tapak tu diberi? Yes. The tapak is 18. Here is 18. Here is also 18. So tapak 18. Kali dengan tinggi. Where is the tinggi for the triangle? The tinggi is not 15. Jangan salah anggap. Faham? Tinggi adalah di tengah-tengah. Can you see the dotted line? This is where students will make mistake. 1/2 kali tapak kali tinggi. So 1/2 tapak is 18. Tinggi. Tinggi is in the center. Ada tak tinggi diberi? No. They didn't give you the height. So you must do Pythagoras Theorem. Kamu mesti buat theorem Pythagoras. How to do theorem Pythagoras? Very easy. You learn in Form 1, isn't it? So 18. You want to find tinggi. Here will be 9. Here will be 9. Half. So yang ni 9. Dan yang ni sudah pun diberi 15. So teacher draw this triangle here. You can see very clear. Teacher just draw half of the triangle. Sebab segitiga tu mesti bersudut tegak. Do you understand? It must be a right angle triangle. You cannot see the full triangle and do Pythagoras Theorem. Tak boleh. You cannot take full triangle. Triangle you must follow the height. So cikgu ambil setengah sahaja. So this is 9. And the side one is 15. So, berapa tingginya? Pythagoras Theorem, right? This is the right angle, 90 darjah. So, hypotenuse 15. You want to get the other side, what must you do? 15 kuasa 2 tolak 9 kuasa 2, you get 144. And that 144 you must root. Jalan kerja tu cikgu tunjuk di sini lah. But you have to show the working. Yang tu bukan topik tingkatan 2. Teorem Pythagoras adalah topik tingkatan 1. You have to know that. So sekarang segitiga ni, hypotenuse 15. So you want to get the height 15 squared minus 9 squared. And then you have to root. Punca. Kenapa cikgu tolak? Sebab hypotenuse kita sudah dapat 15. You want to get the other side, you have to minus. And then you solve this. 15 squared, you get 225. Minus 9 squared, you get 81. And then you root that. 225 minus 81, you get 144. You root that, you get 12. So, tinggi segitiga adalah 12. Jelas? So, you have to do Pythagoras Theorem, show that. You cannot magically get answer tinggi 12. Tak boleh. Tunjukkan jalan kerja. So, we come back to the triangle. What is the area formula? 1/2 times base times height. 1/2 kali tapak kali tinggi. So, tapak 18 full. And tinggi baru sekarang kamu carikan berapa tingginya. 12. So, the height is 12. You can do cutting method. So when you do cutting method, you get 9 times by 12, you get 108. So one triangle, satu segitiga ni 108. You have two triangle what? So you can put 2 kurungan 108 or 2 times 108 also can. So ini adalah formula untuk segitiga. Faham? So you already get 108. Now we go for rectangle. Ada 3 segi 4 kan? So first teacher check the first one. Yang atas sekali, yang atas on the top. So how much is the panjang? So this one is X. And then the lebar is 18. So that is the top rectangle. Panjang X, lebar 18. Panjang X, lebar 18. This is the first rectangle. Second rectangle, teacher see the sengit. Nampak tak? So, panjang tu berapa? X. Lebar ni berapa? Panjang is X. Lebar, what is the symbol just now they gave? 15, 15. So, yang ini 15. So, panjang X, lebar 15. If you draw like this and you label it easy for you, you will not get confused. And the last rectangle is at the back. If you see at the back, panjang adalah X and lebar adalah 15. Are you all clear class? Triangle 2 also same. 102 times base times height. You solve it, you get 108. So 2 times 108 kerana ada 2 segitiga. But rectangle semua segi 4 tepat tak sama. That's where students will make mistake. So what you supposed to do? If you draw like this small rectangle, you label the number. Easy for you to solve. Yes or no? So X atas X panjang 18 lebar. Finish. Next one the sengit panjang X lebar 15. Done. And the back rectangle panjang X lebar 15. Finish. So now when you solve this, kamu akan dapat berapa? What is the formula for rectangle area? Panjang kali lebar. At 18 times X, you get 18X. Plus 15 times X, 15X. And the last one also 15X. Panjang kali lebar, panjang kali lebar, panjang kali lebar. Length times with the breadth. So now, you press your calculator. 2 times 108 for the 2 triangle, kamu dapat 216. Teacher use a blue marker. 216 for the 2 triangle. Plus 18x, 15x, 15x. 3 also you plus 18 plus 15 plus 15. You get 48x. Equal. How much is the luas permukaan? Total surface area, they give you already the answer. 1, 2, 2, 4. Now you have to find the x. So 48x, leave it here. 1, 2, 2, 4. Plus 216, go there. Minus 216. So 1, 2, 2, 4 minus 216. You get 1008. So 48x equal 1008. You want to get x. Apa cikgu bagi tahu tadi? 48x is actually 48 times x. So go there, it must be divide. So 1008 divide 48. Divide and over is the same only. So you get the answer x equal 21. Finish. So class, if you see here, teacher teach you a simple method by using shapes. Sebab topik ni luas permukaan. This is not isi padu. This is not volume. This is surface area. So when we say surface area, you must do area for all the side. 2 triangle, 3 rectangle. And 3 rectangle not same. So this one x 18, x 15, x 15. So 18x, 15x, 15x. When you total up 48x. Then you solve like a normal linear equation. Kamu dapat x 21. X is the panjang, right? So make sure you show here clearly. It must be 21 cm. Unit is very important. Faham? Matematik jalan kerja penting. Unit pun penting. Now teacher go to the last question here. Cone. They already give you the surface area 841.5. Sudah diberi, because this is not a direct question. Sudah diberi, but they ask you to find the x. X tu apa? Is actually the S. S you all know, right? The slanted. Sengit. Sending. That is the x. So what is the surface area for a cone? Pi j square plus pi js. Because you have one circle, kamu ada satu bulatan. So that is pi j square. Plus pi js, itu adalah melengkung. So this is the formula. Sekarang kita ganti dalam formula. Pi 22/7 times jejari. Berapa jejarinya kelas? Is the jejari 21? Check properly. Is a jejari 21? You have to be very clear with it. Jejari is not 21. Jejari is actually half of it. So when you divide, what do you get? You get 10.5. So 10.5 kuasa 2. Don't get mistake with 21. 21 is diameter. You want to just get the jejari radius. 21 divide by 2, you get 10.5. Jangan terus guna 21. Salah. 21 is diameter. So pi j square, teacher put bracket easier. Plus pi js, 22/7 times jejari. Berapa jejari? 10.5. Darab s, we don't know. So they give you x. Finish. So pi j square plus pi js. Okay, now we solve it. 22/7 times 10.5 square. Berapa kamu dapat? You get in a point form, or you can put it in a fraction also can, no problem. You get 346.5 plus pi js, right? So 22/7 times 10.5, you get 33. 33 times by x is 33x. And luas permukaan sudah pun diberi 841.5. Now you can solve this equation. 33x, leave it here. 841.5 positive 346.5, go there, minus 346.5. So better to give it in point form. So plus, go there, minus. So 841.5 minus 346.5, you get 495. So 33x is equal to 495. You want to get the x, what is supposed to do? X, you leave it here. 495 times 33, right? Remember teacher told you many times. 33x means 33 times x. So go there, you must divide by 33. So what is the final answer you get for the X? 15. And this one is S, right? So the unit must be cm. So your final answer untuk S, the S value is 15 cm. Understand, class? So remember, any formulas also, the before exercise the teacher give you direct question. Ganti dalam formula dapat jawapan. But these 4 question the teacher explain: cylinder, pyramid, prisma, cone. These 4 question is not like that. These 4 questions you have to find the X, or you have to find the height, or you have to find the length, or somewhat like that. So just remember, ganti in the formula, solve it, you can get the answer. Class, now teacher go to the volume topic question. Soalan isi padu. Ini adalah soalan berbentuk kebat. Okay, but it's actually not kebat, it's a direct type of question. Tapi soalan ini markanya sekurang-kurangnya 4 markah. It will come out in your exam. So dalam struktur ini, if you see this structure here, ada gabungan. You have a combination here of 2 shape, of 2 structure. Satu adalah piramid, lagi satu adalah prisma. That's why teacher put here piramid plus prisma. Sebab soalan minta hitung jumlah isi padu. That is a question. Total volume, jumlah isi padu. So piramid plus prisma. So cikgu sudah pun tulis formula. Formula piramid 1/3 times luas tapak kali tinggi. And formula prisma luas tapak kali tinggi. So this formula you must know. Then only you can answer in the exam. Okay, how to solve this? Cikgu tunjukkan di sini. Teacher show it here. First one is pyramid 1/3 times luas tapak. Lihat kelas, ini piramid kan? Luas tapak. Tapak is the base here. So teacher shade it so that you can see clearly. Ini adalah tapak untuk piramid. The base for pyramid. So when you say base for pyramid, apa formulanya? Panjang kali lebar. It can be a square, it can be a rectangle. How to find out that? Okay, cara nak cari. How to find that? Okay, if you see here, they give you, this one is 10. If this one is 10, panjang ni 10, panjang ni pun 10. It's a square. So teacher show it's a square. So yang ini adalah 10. If that one is 10, okay, the other side also will be 10. Kenapa 10? Because in the picture they already give you this symbol. That means it is a square. 10. So apa luas untuk segi 4? 10 kali 10. Panjang kali lebar, you get 100. Times by tinggi. What is the tinggi for the pyramid? Did they give you the height of the pyramid? No, they didn't give you the height of the pyramid. Height of the pyramid is actually in the center. Bukan yang ini, bukan yang tengah-tengah ni, no. This one is a triangle height. Untuk piramid, tinggi tu sebenarnya di tengah. That means it must be at the center here. Nampak tak? This must be the height of the pyramid. So how will you get the height? Apa cara untuk mencari tinggi piramid? How? Class, you must do Pythagoras Theorem. You have to see very clearly there. Yang ini adalah 13. Okay? That one is the height of the triangle. Sekarang kamu nak cari tinggi piramid is in the center, right? So teacher make a triangle here. Nampak tak? If you see that, this height we don't know, and this one the length must be 5. Sebab dalam segi 4 garis penuh adalah 10. Now we only want the half, so it's 5. And then tinggi untuk segi 3 ni adalah 13. So if you teacher draw like this, okay, this one is 5, and then the height of the triangle is 13. So how much will be the center, the tengah piramid, tinggi piramid? So 5, 13. How will you find it? Pythagoras Theorem. This is hypotenuse. You want to get the other side. 13 kuasa 2, you get 169. Tolak 5 kuasa 2, you get 25. When you minus, you get 144. And then you root 144, you get 12. So, tinggi piramid adalah 12. So, teacher show here 12. So, remember class, tinggi piramid tidak diberi. You have to find. That's why I say this is a kebat type of question. Ada pelajar, mereka takkan cari 12, mereka guna 13. Totally everything will be 0. Faham tak? So remember, formula isi padu untuk piramid ialah 1/3 kali luas tapak kali tinggi. The volume formula. So 1/3 luas tapak is a square. So 10 times 10 is 100. Times by tinggi. Tinggi piramid we don't know because I teacher told you the tinggi is in the center. So how will you find the tinggi? Pythagoras Theorem. So ini tinggi. Ini setengah 5 because full is 10. Half is 5. And then the triangle is 13. So you do Pythagoras Theorem, you get 12. So yang ini adalah formula isi padu untuk piramid. So pyramid volume formula done. 103 times base area times by height. Done. Now for prisma. Yang ini bawah, atas piramid, bawah adalah prisma. It's a prisma trapezium. So when they say luas tapak kali tinggi, is actually luas keratan rentas. If you see your textbook, you can see the word cross-section area. Luas keratan rentas. But remember, if the prisma is a trapezium, you must do the area for the trapezium. So yang dalam ni cikgu padam, yang kita guna untuk jalan kerja tadi. So yang ni prisma trapezium. So when they say prisma trapezium, you must do area for this part. Buat luas untuk trapezium. That is luas tapak, bukan bawah. Do you understand? Luas keratan rentas. If you feel confused with luas tapak, you can write here luas keratan rentas. When teachers say keratan rentas, faham class, it's a cross section. You know, you cut, right? So you do that area. So you must do trapezium area. The trapezium formula 1/2 times A plus B times height. 1/2 kali A tambah B kali tinggi. Remember, this tinggi is different. Cikgu tak guna yang ni lagi ya, belum guna lagi. Sekarang cikgu guna formula untuk trapezium. This tinggi is here times tinggi. Can you see? I showed that very clearly. Now teacher do for trapezium. Luas keratan rentas cross section area for trapezium. 1/2 times A plus B times height. So what is the 1/2 times A plus B? Cikgu ganti 1/2 times A plus B. When you do a trapezium area, the two parallel line you must plus. Ini 17, ini adalah 10. So that is A plus B, you get 27. A plus B, 10 plus 17, you get 27. Times by height. What is the height for the trapezium? Berapa tinggi untuk trapezium? Tadi tinggi piramid berapa kamu cari? What is the tinggi piramid you find just now? You get 12. So tinggi piramid 12. So tinggi trapezium berapa? 20 is the full, right? So 20 minus 12, cikgu tulis sini, 20 tolak 12, kamu dapat 8. So the height of the trapezium supposed to be 8. Faham class? So do the trapezium area 1/2 times A plus B. A plus B is a parallel line. Garis selari kamu tambah. You get 10 and 17 is 27. Darab tinggi. Apa tinggi untuk trapezium? Tidak diberi. Tapi tinggi piramid tadi kamu cari 12. So tinggi trapezium is a balance. So 20 minus 12 you get 8. So the trapezium tinggi adalah 8. So teacher put 8. Times by. Now teacher, okay, remember teacher show in the blue marker. Yang ni formula trapezium. Luas keratan rentas trapezium area times by tinggi. Berapa tinggi untuk prisma? Remember, we already use all these numbers, right? Semua nombor ni kita sudah guna. So when they say tinggi, the tinggi must be 10. Faham kelas? Jangan guna 8 because you already use for the trapezium. 1/2 times A plus B times height. Kamu sudah guna 3 nombor ni. So and the ending part darab tinggi, you can use the length. So the length will be 10. So now you press calculator. Tekan calculator. 1/3 times by 100 times by 12. You get 400 plus this one. The trapezium area 1/2 times the A plus B is 27, right? Times by 8 times by 10. 1080. So volume for pyramid 400. Volume for prisma 1080. Both you plus, you get 1480. 1480. And they ask isi padu. What is the unit for volume? cm cube. Jelas kelas? 1480 cm cube. So this is your final answer. Finish. Class, this will be your last question. They gave you a cylinder block here and they gave you a sphera ball here lah, okay? Satu bongkak logam dan bola sfera. Now the question is, bongkak itu dileburkan. Now they are going to melt this block, this cylinder block because of metal. So they're going to melt it untuk menjadi beberapa bola sfera. They want to make a balls like this. So berapa bilangan bola sfera diperoleh? So when they melt this metal block, this cylinder block, how many balls can you make? So this is a K-part question. Mereka tak bagi tahu isi padu, mereka tak bagi tahu luas permukaan. They didn't say volume and they didn't say surface area, nothing. But anyhow, when they say how many balls can you get, you must use the volume formula. Guna formula isi padu. So if you see here, teacher write clearly, isi padu cylinder pi j square t. Isi padu sfera 4/3 pi j cube. You ganti in the formula first. Now we do cylinder pi 22/7 times jejari. Jejari they already gave it 12. So 12 square times tinggi 10. Okay, when you press this in calculator, you get answer in point form 4525.71. 4525.71. You can make it in a fraction form also. It's up to you. Teacher give in a point form 4525.71. Ini isi padu cylinder. Now you do sfera 4/3 times pi. Pi is 22/7 times jejari for the sfera is 6, so 6 cube. Answer 905.14. This also you get in a point form. So ini isi padu cylinder, ini isi padu sfera. Now they say how many balls can you make? So you just divide these two number 4525.71 divide by 905.14. You get answer 5.00000. If you use pecahan, you will get a round answer. Bila kamu bahagi, kamu dapat jawapan 5. That means you can make 5 balls like this. When you melt this cylinder block, kamu akan dapat 5 bola sfera. So what is your working? Teacher show here 4525.71, the volume for the cylinder, divide by volume for the sfera 905.14. So when you divide, kamu dapat jawapan 5. So the answer you will get 5 metal balls. 5 bola sfera lah. Okay, that is your 5. So this is a K-part question. They didn't say volume, they didn't say surface area, but they say how many balls can you make? Do this volume, both you divide. This one we will not use luas permukaan because you melt the whole thing, right? Leburkan kesemuanya. So you have to use isi padu formula, volume formula. So class, revise the examples that I explained to you all, the calculation. Soalan luas permukaan, soalan isi padu. Revise it well. Watch the video again and again for your better understanding.